In this video, we are going to talk about FXopen PAMM Trading or FXopen PAMM Services. Hi there, my name is Errol Mueller and I am the owner and founder of EmpireDigest.com. Should you want to check it out, I'm not going to go into detail about that, but within this specific video, I'm going to delve into the actual accounts. If you haven't done so yet, on the top right hand side is a notification popping up right now where I've done an in detail, call it a review / how to use PAMM trading and how to make use of PAMM trading from opening an account right through to actually selecting a trader. Now, what I'm going to, or you, if you want to do PAMM trading, you've got two options. You can become a follower or a PAMM master. Now, a PAMM master is you are then the trader and people invest in you, or you use their money in order to trade on their behalf. Now, I'm a PAMM follower. I love it. I've made a hell of a lot of money with it. And I will continue to make money with it. But in this specific video, I want to share the tips and the tricks and the strategies when it comes to selecting. If you want to be a follower and you want to invest your money in traders, what you should look for within traders, just things to pay attention to. Now, make sure you watch that video. It's very important because then you will know exactly what this little picture right here means. So yes, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Take some time, pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, on the top side, right about this section right here, there will be a blurred section because I just want to hide my personal details and my personal email address, because otherwise people bombard me with emails. Now, firstly, when you open if you are logged in to your PAMM account, let's assume you've watched that video on the top right hand side. You've opened yourself an account with FXopen. If you want to, the very first link in the description below this video, or in actual fact the second link, my apologies, the second link, and I will clearly mark it FXopen PAMM Trading. Click that link and you can open yourself an account with FXopen. Then from there, let's say you've created your account, your investment account, your PAMM account, all of that. What you then want to do is you want to scroll down. In actual fact, you can first click on PAMM accounts. Once you've clicked PAMM accounts, it will bring you over to a page that looks like this. But just after you've logged in, let's go back one page. Just after you've logged in, let me close that page. It will look very similar to this, and then it will show you the best PAMM accounts, and then you can select what date, last week, last month, the last 3 months, or all time. And it works on the percentage gain. As you can see, 9,000% gain, 5,000, 1,600, 1,400, and 1,200. While you're watching this video, if you enjoyed this type of content and you feel that you're really getting value out of this video, please give this video a like. Subscribe to this profile if you are new, and then just leave me a comment, because I've been doing this for many years, like 9 years that I've been involved in the forex trading markets. So, and I shared within numerous of my other videos. I'll tell you a little bit about my story, but I've been involved in forex trading markets for about 9 years now. I used to sell my own forex trading course. I went through the ups, the downs, blown accounts, lost a lot of money, made a lot of money, did forex trading, robot trading as well, or forex robot trading. And in actual fact, I'm at this point in time in my career where I focus on PAMM trading and copy trading. It's very profitable. It is expensive though, in the sense of fees, performance fees, masters fees, etc., commissions. I'll share that with you as well. But yeah, so should you find this video valuable, please give it a like, subscribe, and then if you want to, you're more than welcome to leave me a comment as well if you've got any questions, if you want to. Okay, so just after you've logged in, it will look very similar to this, and then you can see best PAMM accounts all time, and then as explained, the percentage gains. Now, then what you can do is you can click on see all if you want to, or you can literally just hover over the section that says PAMM accounts, click on PAMM accounts, and then it will open up all the PAMM accounts, all the different traders, and then you can filter them. Okay, so you can see general, funds, trading, advanced, peaks, settings, etc. Now, the most important ones for me personally, there's 3 columns. Column 1 will be obviously the total percentage gain. But not only that, a lot of people only look at the total percentage gain. You can make a very big mistake if you only look at that, because this guy, for instance, I'm not saying he is, but this Joshua guy could have been trading for about 1 year, and he's made a 9% gain. And it's just the duration is too short for me to validate him as a trader. What do I use as a validation? I use a validation with PAMM trading of anything 3 years and upwards. I want to see a trader with a history of about 3 years that's been on FXopen trading for about 3 years. 2 years will work. It's still a little bit risky because I want them to have gone through all the volatile situations within the markets, and that's why I prefer a 3 years and upwards trading history. Now, this total gain right here then goes to account age. This is in days. The account age is in days. So this guy's been trading for 1,848 days, which calculates to, at the time of me shooting this video, at just over 5 years. Okay, which is good. That's extremely good, because 1,848 divided by 365 days will give you the amount of years. Next, you've got the maximum drawdown. So like I said, these 3 columns. Okay, total gain, age of the account, and then the max drawdown percentage. It's extremely important to me. Now, if you don't know what drawdown is, just go search it on Google. I don't want to go into too much detail, but drawdown is basically the amount of risk you are willing to take within any trade, within one trade, etc. Of that trade, you can literally risk about 51% of your account within one trading session, if I can put it like that. Okay. Then let's open up the individuals quickly. So let's just pick, in actual fact, I want to start with not only the percentage gain, because you will see, so this guy has got a good percentage gain and he's been trading for just over 5 years. This ECNP20, and then you also want to look at the graph. On the right hand side, it says the gain chart. Look here, gain chart. Now, the thing is, this guy, the very first guy, has got a beautiful curve, upwards curve. The drawdown percentage is quite high. The next guy, ECNP20, you can see he had a gradual gain and then a little bit of a downwards dip, and then it looks like he's recovered, as you can see right there. And I'll open up that account right now. But look at his drawdown, 80.4%. So out of all of these, for me personally, the most important columns, in actual fact, or what one column is actually drawdown. Yes, account age does make a massive difference, and the total gain does make a massive difference, but drawdown, I don't want to invest my money in a guy that is taking huge risks, because he can literally blow his account or lose 80% of his profit within one trade, if I can put it like that. That is crazy. I don't want to invest in a trader like that. I'm not saying this is a bad profile or anything like that. I'm just saying my personal opinion, I would not do that. I want to go for a drawdown that's like 20%, 15%. If I can find a 5%, I'll do a 5%. But 15, 20% is okay, 10%. The lower, the better. Long story short, the lower, the better. Okay, then you've got Pandora. This guy's been trading for 1,440 days, and he's got a very stable upwards curve, and the drawdown percentage is 33.33%. Total gain so far since the account opened is 1,633% gain. So you can literally take the account age, 1,440, divided by 365 days to give you the amount of years, and then you can do a little sum to see if it's worth that 1,633% or 0.81% to see if it's really worth it. So let's just open up a few guys. I'm going to open up this one right here, number 1, number 2, number 3, and for instance, not number 4. Let's go for this guy. Okay, drawdown is quite high. Account age is not too bad. Sorry guys, let me just put my phone on silent. I don't want this thing to bother us. And then we've got the silent. Okay, then we've got the daily gain, and we've got the total gain. So the account age is not too bad. It's 369. It's just over 3 years. So let's open up this account as well. Okay. Next, looking at this guy, this Joshua guy, like I said, it's just his drawdown that is quite high. So when you look at a trader like this, okay, for instance, let's open up this Heft. I'm going to use Heft as an example, because in my previous video I've spoken about this Joshua guy. So I'm not promoting them, I'm literally just using them as an example, and then you can literally, whatever you are seeing on this right now on the screen, you can use it and apply it when analyzing any one of these traders to invest your money in. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Then Next, general tab, you can see the currency is a euro currency. For this guy, you've got USD accounts, you've got euro accounts, and I'm not sure if you've got pound accounts as well. Then you've got the active days, 549. This one says active days 549, but then if I go back, it says here account age is 1,133 days. So that doesn't make sense to me. Active days. Okay, we'll check it out now. Then the amount of followers, he's got 3 followers. So basically 3 people that is investing in him. Okay, he's trading with 3 individuals' money at this point in time. The account is this, and the leverage that he uses is a 1 to 100. Next, the statistics. If we click on the stats, he's got a total gain of 1,211%. Daily gain is about 2%. Maximum drawdown 39%. Maximum daily gain. I just want to see something here. It is the all time. Let's click on all. Okay, it is showing all the data. Yes, just another point of interest. If you go onto the top side right here, you will see 1 week, 1 month. Always make sure when analyzing a trader, you want to click on the all tab. Then the maximum daily loss, maximum exposure level, floating return on rate of return is about 0.73% or 73, drawdown, etc. Now going back to the general tab, what you then want to look for, okay, curve is looking good. We spoke about the dates. We quickly looked at the stats. Then you want to click on the drawdown to see how his drawdown percentages are ranging. You can see right there, 36, 39 is the highest. And then another 28%, and then another, I can't see what that percentage is. So it is a little bit on the high side. If you look at that, it's between the 25 to 25% range. Majority of these little spikes is on the 20% range. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It is a little risky, but then again, that's what you would find with some of these guys. Then you can look at the actual profit that this account has accumulated up until now. So you can see it started with a 14 euro or something right here, 14 euro $72 or 14.72 euros, and then increased. So far he's trading on about 14,000 euros. Net assignment, I'm not too worried about the net assignment. The equity office exposure, okay. Scrolling down a little, what you can also do is you can click on the summary. The summary will show you what pairs he is currently trading. In this case, he's trading the Euro USD, USD CHF, and the USD JPY. But then again, you can see that most of his trades is on the Euro USD. USD CHF, he had a total of 2 trades, and USD JPY 1 trade. So he mainly trades the Euro USD. Okay, the duration of trades, that is also another very important factor. Depending on what type of trading style he uses and however it is that he trades. Remember, they are in complete control of your capital. So that means as soon as you've put your money into your investment account and you've decided to join this specific trader, which you can do right here, you see the join button, you can click join, and then you can see exactly what that trader offers, the master's fees, the commissions, etc., which we'll cover right now. Just bear with me. And then duration as well. So I don't want to trade with a guy that, look at this, so I can't really see. Oh, it works in, I would assume, hours, minutes, seconds. I can't really determine what they are using here. If these are days, hours, minutes, seconds. And so this guy, average trade, if we look at it like that, it stays open for about 3 days, the longest. On average, majority of his trades closes within 18 hours, 21 hours, 20, yeah. In actual fact, just it closes within 1 day, which is quite good, and that's quite good. Then he's got a few trades that are hovering within the 2-day range, and then it moves over up to the longest, which is 3 days. That's not bad. That's actually quite good. The reason I'm talking to you about that is, especially when it comes to forex trading robots, that is a very important thing to look at, is duration. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, on the top right hand side, I do a lot of forex trading robot reviews, and I delve into as much detail as I possibly can. technical detail in order for you to make an informed decision when it comes to forex trading robots. Now, next you can see this guy started trading in the year 2021, then the year 2022, 2023. So in actual fact, we've got 2 full-on years worth of trading history. So far, this is the month of May, which means it's 5 months. And then the year 2021, he traded another, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus another 5. That's actually just, so he's literally got trading data of just over 3 years, which is phenomenal. That's quite good. It's something to definitely look at. Now you can see in the first year, the year 2021, he had a 18.6% gain. The year 2022, 181% gain. The year 2023, 180% gain. So far in the year 2024, he's got a 39.94% gain, which is quite good. Now you have to think to yourself, what is your average monthly gains or average annual, per year gain with your mutual funds, your financial advisor, investment specialist, whoever it might be? And then you start looking at gains like this. You will start seeing opportunities in order to basically create or expand your portfolio and add things like this, like PAMM trading into your portfolio, into your investment portfolio, because this is really profitable. I'm telling you, I'm doing it myself. I know for a fact what I'm talking about because I'm doing it myself. You can actually see that I know what I'm talking about, and I'm investing in PAMM trading myself. And in the previous video, you will see that I'm logged into my account and everything. And I share just one of the accounts that I am invested in. Just as an example, it's a small account. I'm testing that guy, and you will actually see that I'm invested in him, and I'll show you quite a few things that you need to pay attention to as well. So you can see so far in the year 2024, he had a first month gain of 8.1%, a second month loss of 6.11%, then an 11.17% gain, a 8% gain, and a 14.71% gain, which is phenomenal, and all on the Euro USD pair. There you can see Euro USD average holding time. The average holding time is 1 day, 4 hours and 47 minutes and 19 seconds. Okay, and then here's the split: Euro USD versus USD CHF versus USD JPY. And that's it basically, guys. I appreciate you. Please leave me a comment. Just ask me whatever you want to ask me. I'm not going to delve into every single profile. Like I said, the most important factor, let's quickly go back to this. If you want to look at these traders, look at the total percentage gain, look at the account age, look at the maximum drawdown, and then look at the overall graph, just the upwards curve, etc. If there's any specific account on FXopen, so the second link in the description, click on that link, register yourself an account with FXopen, create yourself an account, and then we can take it from there. If there's any specific one of these PAMM names that you would like for me to basically delve into and do an analysis for you, just leave me a comment. Leave me a comment, and we can look at that and look into it in future videos. Once again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Give this video a like. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, loving, financially successful life, healthy life going forward. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.